the storage box in the middle of our car. It's actually a refrigerator, but 99% of people don't know how to use it. We found this AC in the central control area. Turn it on and adjust the temperature to the coldest setting. Then open the middle storage box. There is a knob in this inconspicuous position inside. It is usually closed. Let's open it up. Clockwise rotation. Let the position of the snowflakes face outward. This will activate the refrigerator function. This function is very practical. Follow me. I am Brother Tom. Learn car knowledge every day.